Well, today, the state of Florida heard more defense of its mask opt-out requirement in school. As reporter Jake Stofan tells us, the state called on parents who say masks have negatively impacted their children. And a Stanford professor has questioned the effectiveness of masks throughout the pandemic.
Parents called by the state said they have children with medical conditions that made learning difficult while wearing a mask.
When there were mask mandates here in Leon County, we did try to abide by them, and I just couldn't take her anywhere.
They also reported difficulty obtaining a medical exemption.
She was not going to sign any forms at all.
But at the heart of the state's case is Dr. Jay Bhattacharya, who has maintained since early in the pandemic there is little quality evidence to support masking in schools.
The observational evidence such that there is in schools in Florida and elsewhere suggests that masked districts did no better than unmasked districts.
He also questioned the rationale behind why the Delta variant would change the calculation on masking.
It's really unclear why one would expect they would have any different effect on a more transmissible variant like the Delta variant.
Bhattacharya also testified studies conducted prior to the pandemic found potential harms if younger children don't see faces.
On the basis of this, the World Health Organization recommends against masking very young children.
The CDC reports 385 pediatric COVID deaths since the start of the pandemic.
What's an acceptable death rate, in your opinion, for children?
I reject the premise of the question. The question is not what's an acceptable death rate. The question is, what are the trade-offs implicit?
When presented with studies that suggest masks are effective, the doctor's opinion didn't waver. The judge is set to rule on the case Friday. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, Channel 4, the local station.
Since the start of the pandemic in Florida, there have been 23 pediatric deaths. 8, or roughly 35%, have been reported since the start of this month.